Hey, what's up everybody? Dan with DCMX. Today, we're gonna do an oil change on our Honda CRF 300R, and we're gonna show you how our DCMX products make oil changes super easy, smooth, and a lot cleaner. First step is you're gonna wanna start the engine. You're gonna wanna warm up the motorcycle to operating temperature. This is gonna heat the oil up and allow it to drain more easily. Next, you're gonna need to drain the engine oil, 3/8 drive ratchet with an 8mm Allen socket. While the engine oil is draining, now's a good time to get out your service manual and check and see what the torque spec is on the drain plug, and also you could check your engine oil capacity. All right, we're gonna set our torque wrench to 17 foot-pounds. That's what the manual calls for. Torquing your drain plug really is mandatory. It's gonna eliminate the chance that you strip the threads in the engine cases, and also losing a drain plug on the track, losing all your oil, will result in an engine failure. Next, we're gonna use our 3/8 drive Tecton torque wrench to torque this engine drain bolt to spec. The spec is 17 foot-pounds. Next, we're gonna screw in our DCMX threaded oil funnel. All right, we checked the oil spec in our manual, and we're gonna go ahead and put the oil in our DCMX measuring cup to ensure that we get the right amount of oil volume in our engine. Now we'll go ahead and put the engine oil into the engine. A lot of people might ask us, why didn't you change the oil filter? We change the oil filter every other time we do an oil change. This engine oil had 5 hours on it, so we did not change the engine oil filter, and we will change it next time. Next, you can remove the funnel. We make the oil funnel buddy, and this allows you to store your funnel, and all the oil that's left in the funnel drips into this little catch bottle. All right, now that you've added the engine oil into the motorcycle, you'll want to start it up, let it idle, don't rev it up. Just let it idle for a few minutes, get it up to operating temperature, and then we're going to recheck the oil level. All right, now we'll check our oil level to make sure we're at the top. Looks like we're all good there. Last but not least, you'll want to reset the hour meter on your hour meter. This one's made by Works Connection. It's pretty cool. You can see this bike's got 5.5 hours on it. If you click it again, that's your maintenance hour meter. I reset it already back to 0, but this is a great way to keep track of how many hours you have on your motorcycle when doing maintenance.